What do two American counties, a country, a nation and a disputed territory flag have in common? They were all adopted in 1976, the year my now ex-colleague Derek first started his working life before retiring 45 years later. This Flags in 50 Seconds is specially for you, Derek. We start at the 24th of February 1976 with the city flag of Jacksonville, and you can tell this by the way Jacksonville is written on the flag, plus the equestrian statue is of Andrew Jackson himself, where the name originated. A few days later, on the 27th of February 76, the flag of Sahrawi Arab Democratic Republic, otherwise known as Western Sahara, was adopted. However, Morocco annexed part of the region, the UN got involved, and then several decades of unresolved peace talks later are still having issues. Aruba. This flag came into play on the 18th of March 1986, part of the Kingdom of the Netherlands. This island is set in the Caribbean Sea. The red star represents the 4 points of the compass. Next, the Seychelles, and to coincide with its independence, this flag was introduced on the 29th of June 1976. Sadly, it only lasted a year, and this is now the country's national flag. And finally, back to the States with this ornate flag of Montgomery Country, Maryland, which was adopted on the 5th of October 1976. 5 flags that came into play the same year you started work. Happy retirement, Derek. Feeling old yet?